Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the GOKOO Smartwatch. It's a fitness tracker with heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, and it's full touchable screen. IP68 waterproof. It's in sport, smartwatch, Bluetooth connected. Wow, it's a smartwatch for woman, man, and etc. It's compatible with iPhone and Android. That means all kind of app connection is required. It's an excellent smartwatch for man and woman, etc. The smartwatch with color high definition full touch screen bring us a more pleasant high definition visual experience with a custom watch interface. This makes our image changeable. Screen brightness adjustment and duration selection give us a convenient and efficient use experience. The IP68 waterproof option, well, we do not need to be afraid of daily use. These smartwatches are a must-have choice for maybe Valentine's Day or a random gift thing or for us own use. The multifunction sports mode requires a lot of things. The fitness smartwatch contains 10 sports modes: walking, running, cycling, jogger, swimming, etc. We can use this watch to track breadth of exercise mode and connect to GPS of our smartphone. The exercise route can be displayed on the image of our phone, and more accurate distance and fitness goals can be monitored, so we can understand the training status and improve accordingly. The activity tracker are very suitable for men and women who love fitness. We can also use the stopwatch to help us to better monitor our exercise lap time. And it's an all-day health tracker. We can wear it all night to get a sleep analysis report in the app, to get a comprehensive understanding of our own sleep and awake quality. We can turn it on all day monitoring in the app. It lets us to get a better understanding how our own health status is right now. We can get the heart rate and the blood oxygen values directly on the smartwatch and get the real-time health values. This can help us closely monitor our health, and it takes timely measure to maintain our health itself. The data is for reference only and not for medical purpose. Active reminder function. This smartwatch supports call and message reminder function. It lets us to get notifications in time without missing any important message. For example, SMS, Skype, Facebook, Twitters, Line, WhatsApp, etc. The Smartwatch has intelligent provision functions such as sedentary reminder, drink reminder, alarm clock, and we can enjoy the convenience of reading messages and smart life on Smart Fitness Watch too. It only supports receiving the message in incoming calls. It does not support replying to messages and answering calls. We will only get information, but this is a nice step forward on the way to a smart life. Other functions and compatibilities are, for example, enjoy the following functions: weather forecast, remote camera control, this is awesome, music control, turn on the wrist to the brighten the screen, find equipment, etc. This is also a must for a good gift out there. The GOKOO smartwatch is compatible with the iOS 9 and above, Android 5 and above, and it only supports Bluetooth 5.0. We have to turn on the GPS and Bluetooth function of the phone before connecting. And then we can easily connect the app via the smartwatch. Easy, really easy. Only turn on Bluetooth, then go into the app and have fun with it. This is the smartwatch specially designed for everyone. Extremely thin design. The dial of the smartwatch for us all is extremely thin and fits the wrist size of, for example, North American man. Increase the wearing capacity. And we can choose our favorite pictures as the watch dial interface through the editor of the app to show our different personality into the app developer. Fitness smartwatch is equipped with a silicone strap, which makes our exercise and use more comfortable and easy. We can also disassemble and replace it without a tool. The strap size is 224mm to 22mm. We can just choose the dial we like to change. Really awesome. We have calories tracking, pedometer, distance, timer, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, sleep monitor, vibration alert, music control, camera control, sports modes. We can find our phone with that option, with that smartwatch. Message notification, incoming call reminder, brightness adjustment, sedentary reminder. Everything is possible on this smartwatch. The system requirement is iOS or Android, and we have to download and install, of course, the app for it, or we can use not the entire options of this smartwatch. The waterproof rating is IP68. Not suggest swing for a long time and use in high pressure and high temperature, of course. But I think it was 30 minutes. You can use it underwater, but I'm not so sure. The dial diameter is 46.5 millimeters. The dial thickness is 11 millimeters. The band length is 224 millimeters. The band wide is 22 millimeters. And 24-hour health monitoring. The smartwatch fitness tracker uses optical heart rate sensors to track our heart rate throughout the day and understand our real-time health. We can view and analyze our all-day heart rate and blood oxygen change in the app to accurately understand the health indicators and achieve a healthier life for us. We have an automatic sleep tracking mode. The smartwatch for us all automatically tracks our night sleep. It helps us to understand our own deep and light deep sleep duration. We can understand with that sleep quality test and change the habits, for example. This function requires the connection to realizing tracking. And we have a notification reminder. Awesome. When the fitness track is connected to the application, we can receive notifications and messages on our phone, so we won't miss important things. We only need to raise our wrist to read the message, and there is no function of replying to message and answering calls. And of course, adjustable brightness level, so we can go for the activity tracker solve the problem of the outdoor sports. It can adjust the brightness or different stage and has 6 levels of that, which can be adjusted according to the current environment. The smartwatch can also adjust the screen on time to solve the problem of the screen on time of traditional watches. And sedentary reminder. When we are busy with the work and forget the time, this smartwatch will vibrate to remind us to get up and walk or exercise to achieve a better state of body relaxation. And of course, music remote control. We can tap the screen to control the music playback, pause, and switch the music. This gives us more convenient help while we are exercise and control the volume of the music playback, for example. This function is not to play music on the watch, but to control the iPhone or the Android phone. and breath training. Through the back and forth exercise of the exhalation and inhalation, it helps us to improve our breathing style, relieve stress and relax. We can also adjust the training duration and breathing rhythm to achieve our activity and healthier level. Yeah, we will be the most healthy guys out there while we're using a smartwatch. And weather forecast. We can check the weather conditions for 3 days on the smartwatch, including temperature and weather conditions. It provides indispensable key information for our fitness process and allows us to plan ahead. Really awesome thing. And it's so easy. We have to download the app by using the QR code on the package, or we find it the Coolware app on the market. Then we have to get an account in it. And after this, we can easily change the cover. We can easily set up the device after we connect each other by using Bluetooth, no prob. And then we can easily program, check, make a setup, etc., with all the different style of setup or possibilities on the app. Change the watch face from the app, for example, or we can look for the weather, we can look for the heart rate, the blood oxygen, the music control, the sports modes, breath, shutter. This is really awesome. That means we can control our smartphone using the watch. Awesome. Then we have a sedentary reminder. We can switch on or off or program it. An alarm. We can have a call reminder, wake screen on wrist, rising option, etc. Everything is possible with that awesome good GOKOO smartwatch. It's a fitness tracker with heart rate monitor, sleep monitor. It has a full touch screen and it's waterproof. It's a sports smartwatch with Bluetooth connection. It's compatible with iPhone and Android phones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.